خب ببینم میاد. ببین باز میشه صفحت اینا.
برو بریم.
All right, so I'm sorry for the trouble that happened for the call.
It's okay.
Yeah, so the question was that I told you about how rope skipping goes, and I asked you that what feels more difficult for you. And based on your answer, I see that I guess it's a combination of both keeping the ring, rhythm, jumping, like a smooth jumping, breathing, and also you said you get tired. So I think it's a combination of all. And no worries, we will try to find which parts you need the more attention. Do you, Metanat, stop because your body gets tired, or you stop because the movement becomes messy?
I guess both. I
Mm-hmm.
I feel tired. At the same time, I feel I'm not doing it correctly, so it's more something also mentally that I stop it.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see. I see. And the problem that is like getting tired, and also the mental thing, like when you see that you feel
Yeah.
insecure, that it gets messy. Does it
Yeah.
start immediately or it starts after a time?
So when I started, I tried to fix my leg, like keep it very contracted so it doesn't move, it doesn't turn inward. But
Mm-hmm.
after a while, when I'm tired, I cannot control it anymore. So it
Yeah,
like my knees is inward rotated, and my hip also, I feel a little bit like it's not
I
at this
see.
correct position.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it gets like more, when the fatigue builds up. How many
Yeah.
times per week do you exercise now?
Right now, I practice twice a week,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not as much as I want to, and it's not.
Uh, yeah,
um,
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, it's not that effective that I used
Ah,
to
I see.
practice in the past. Yeah.
But the two times, you mean only rope skipping, or no, you mean yoga or other things?
No, I'm in yoga.
Yoga. Do you
Yeah.
do other cardio training or like any other training in general?
Right now, no, nothing.
All right. Do you feel, Metana, do you feel pain? The pain that you're feeling, if you feel pain actually, do you feel it during or after rope skipping, or you don't even feel pain?
I don't feel pain when I do
Mm-hmm.
it. But in general, I feel pain in my hip,
Yeah.
especially on my right side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I don't feel it when I'm
Rope,
doing
rope skipping.
rope
Yeah.
skipping. Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, what you said about the pain in your hip is not related to the rope skipping. You feel it like in general, right?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Okay. I'll keep in mind this one also.
Yeah.
Was there a trauma or something for that, or it was just there?
Uh, it started a few years ago for me.
Yeah.
I think it was a mental shock, like an emotional shock for me, and since
Yeah.
then I feel this pain constantly on my side of my hip and also my lower back. I've tried so many things to fix this, but I still have pain.
Okay. I understand. But is rope skipping any? Does it have any effect, like making it better or worse?
No, it doesn't affect
It's not
my
relatable.
pain. Yes, it's not.
Do your legs also feel heavy or maybe weak or stiff or unstable? And by unstable, I mean like feeling, wobbly or less controlled.
Recently, I feel my legs are less powerful. I feel they're weak,
Yeah,
especially after like few minutes cycling or taking stairs. I feel weakness in my
yeah.
legs, and yeah, I feel they're heavy, or sometimes I don't feel them even.
But what about during the rope skipping?
Yeah, as I said, after 5 minutes,
Yeah.
I feel totally weakness in my legs, and I can continue it, and
Okay.
I stop it.
That's yeah, that must be very hard.
Yeah, it is.
Do both legs feel the same, or is only one side like feels harder maybe?
Yeah, it's harder on my right side.
Hmm.
Yeah,
I see that mostly you have problems on your right side.
exactly. I have pain on my right hip and my lower back on the right
Yeah.
side. Yeah.
Oh, and so the right side is all related to the mental shock that you told me.
Yes, it is. And also my right side is my dominant side. So I
Yeah.
think there's also a relationship between them because I usually use my right side
Mm-hmm.
writing, driving, for everything. So I use my right side the most.
Yeah, I see you have a very good insight and you're very self-aware.
I think so.
That's pretty good actually. How do you
Thanks.
feel when you are doing the rope skipping when it becomes difficult? You know, I can give you some examples. Like, do
Hmm.
you feel annoyed, frustrated, embarrassed, or maybe just tired?
Uh, mm, I think when I do the jumps, it feels like I'm um how can I say? Okay, I feel my knees are turning
Going
inward
inward?
and
Yeah.
my lower leg and my ankle is turning outward. I feel this, but it doesn't make me frustrated or embarrassed. It's just it's just the feeling that I have that I'm hurting myself,
Oh,
that
I
I have to
see.
fix this so
Do
then I can
you,
continue
uh-huh.
practicing.
Do you get scared when it happens?
Yes, yes, I do.
Mhm.
It's scary.
I understand. Yeah, that must be scaring. That happens
No.
to a lot of people when they're trying to, work on their uh, learn when they are trying to like learn a skill better or they are working on learning a skill. So
Yeah.
it's very
Yeah.
understandable. But do you also feel confident while you're doing the rope skipping or nah?
In general, I practice alone, but
Mm-hmm.
I think when you mean when someone is there, someone is
No,
watching
just
it?
you yourself, like doing it. You just do you feel
Yeah.
insecure? Like maybe the fear is inside your mind, keep telling
Hmm.
you that. But if I'm hurting, what if I'm hurting myself? Or you feel confident, but after a time you feel insecure.
Hmm.
Like, how is
I
it?
totally, I when I do it in front of a mirror, I totally can see that my knee is turning.
Yeah.
So it doesn't make any other feelings for me. I don't know this
Mm,
question.
I know, I understand.
Yeah.
So it's not
Yeah.
something bold for you. It just you see that and you well, since you're also in a physiotherapy, I know that
Yeah, I
we
see myself.
students, yeah, we go mostly by our logic, not by our emotions. I
Yeah.
see. So let me ask you one more question about the confidence. On a scale 0 to 10, how confident are you that you can improve this?
Uh, I absolutely can improve this 100%.
All right, that's
Yeah.
perfect. I love your
Yeah.
motivation. So 10 out of
Thanks.
10.
Yeah. Sure. It's so easy.
Yeah, that's perfect. All right. Where do you usually practice rope skipping? Home, gym, outside?
At home?
Home. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And you said you practice alone. You don't practice with your friends.
No. They're lazy.
They're lazy. I know. No, not
They
active. I
don't
know.
come with me. They don't practice with me. They're so busy. I'm just kidding.
Not good friends. I know. Joking.
Yeah.
Uh, is like also your daily schedule affecting your exercise, maybe like making it difficult?
Of course, I used to practice every morning.
Mm-hmm.
I used to wake up in the morning. I practiced. Everything was beautiful. Now I just have to
Mm-hmm.
rush, go to school, study, go
I
to
know.
work. Of course, it
Yeah.
affects my
Very
practicing.
true, and that makes sense. Like time can be
Yeah,
a real barrier. I know.
it is. It is.
All right, Metanat. What is
Yeah.
smallest step feels realistic for you this week?
Sorry, I didn't hear.
I can like what is smallest step is more
Uh-huh,
realistic for
smallest.
you? The
Okay.
smallest step is more
Mhm.
realistic for you this week that you can, for example, start doing.
I think I want to start with time, like we can increase the duration of my
Mm-hmm.
practice. Like I want to achieve, for example, this week I want to achieve 6 minutes of practicing.
Yeah.
Then step by step I can learn it. But this is so important for me to learn the technique.
Mm-hmm.
So I really need you to teach me the
Of
technique.
course. No
So
worries. Yeah.
I'm to make sure that I'm doing it correctly, right?
Of course, sure.
Yeah,
Like, yeah, things here go step by step. After this, I'm going to like think about what you've told me, and probably we're gonna have another session for examination because I wanna
yeah,
see and also I wanna ask you, like, this is not one, it's not one side relationship in the physio clinic. There's like two sides.
exactly,
I think you
exactly.
you also know, so don't worry, together we'll make it happen.
Thank you.
So what I understood is that you want like focus more on the time by practicing, right?
Yeah, exactly. I want to do it longer.